Today, we're going to show you how to connect the OtterBox 2-in-1 crossbody strap to an OtterBox case with anchor points. Let's dive in. First, remove the loop on the wristlet side of the 2-in-1 crossbody strap. Next, feed the thread through one anchor point using the included installation tool. Then, use the tool to feed the thread back through the other side of the anchor point. To finish, slip the thread over the loop and pull the loop to tighten. The loop is intended to remain on your case. If you'd like to remove it, do the steps in reverse. Now you're good to go using as a wristlet. If you want to use as a crossbody, repeat the steps on the other anchor point with the second loop. Then, disconnect the buckle and reattach it to the crossbody. Now, reconnect the 2-in-1 crossbody strap and you're ready to carry as a crossbody.